So all our thinking follows from justice. It is so important to us. And to us, in this modern day, every one of us have got our own constitutions, but all of them has the ethos of the humanity. Anything other than humanity, I don't think such thing people can accept. It has to follow with human nature, human development, human upliftment, caring for nature. These are the fundamentals on which justice of the world will always flow. The moot court competitions, moot court, in modern times, this, the way in which somebody argues your case on your behalf. So it's the skills that is making you to be one of the professionals in helping the judges to make a judgment. So therefore it is very important, how do you help the judges to make them understand and give the best of justice. So it's an art. Today it has developed into a beautiful art. And that art is the skills of how you present yourself is very, very important. The personality itself grows by the way you present it. The way you make people understand your points of view. It's not only the knowledge that you have there, but how do you bring that knowledge and making even a person who doesn't know, even for him to understand, that is the way in which today the modern skills are being developing in a very, very fast manner.
On behalf of LAWASIA Moot Study Committee, welcome to the opening ceremony of the 18th LAWASIA International Law Competition. As we gather here today in this fabulous facility, we find ourselves in the interaction of tradition and progress, united by a common purpose, which is to further our ethos, that is to meet, share, and learn. Dr. M.R. Jairam, some 20 years ago, a young student on his way home for summer holidays to Malaysia, spent an unforgettable 1 month in India. Dare I say, at that time, backpacking. And one of the cities that I landed in was then Bengaluru. My trip to Bengaluru was very eventful. And as I look at this show, I had to reminisce and recollect and recall fond memories of yesteryear. I was that student, having spent about 3 to 4 weeks in northern India, in Delhi, Rajasthan, Kashmir, and that parts of northern India. I grew a little tired, a little exhausted, so to speak, in need of food. I booked myself into a first-class Air India, or it was a domestic airline, I can't remember what airline it was, but a domestic airline from New Delhi to then, of course, Bengaluru.
In this regard, moot court is an essential activity. It generates interaction with young lawyers as an exchange, and it serves to cement the common understanding and common sense of lawyers associated in this region. The basic common sense of legal profession is that every position, each position taken by each other has a reason or reasons that can be justified legally. Of course, this does not mean that any result.
The MS Ramaya, the visionary, he studied till middle school before he was forced to discontinue his education. By the time he turned 18, the MS Ramaya had already worked in an industrial training lab and at the Mysore Railways. During the Second World War, he supplied bricks for the construction of military camps in Bengaluru. Dr. M.S. Ramaya, a visionary, educationist, industrialist, and a philanthropist, founded the Gokula Education Foundation in the year 1962. And under the aegis of this foundation was born M.S. Ramaya Institute of Technology in the year 1962. Dr. M.S. Ramaya, a successful entrepreneur, by the end of the first decade after independence, realized that this country's socio-political and economic tower must be built on a solid education basis. His vision, ideas, and goals, which were implicit in the functioning of the Gokula Education Foundation, are reflected in the articulation of the vision of the Gokula Education Foundation. The institutions established under the leadership of our Honorable Founder Chairman Dr. M.S. Ramaya. In the year 1962, Ramaya Institute of Technology and Ramaya High School was started. In 1979, Ramaya Medical College was born. In 1987, Ramaya Institute of Nursing, Education and Research was started. In 1991, Ramaya Dental College was established. In 1992, Ramaya College of Pharmacy, Ramaya Pre-University College, and Ramaya College of Hotel Management came into existence. In 1994, Ramaya College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Ramaya Vidyaniketan was started. In 1995, Ramaya College of Law, Ramaya Institute of Management was established. 1996, Ramaya Institute of Physiotherapy, and in 1997, Ramaya Polytechnic came into existence. Namaskara. Alvijara. Name Si Saru West Narrative. I hope I didn't butcher that. It's an honorable thing to be in this city, and it's much honorable to have bestowed upon me by the Honorable Chairman, the past President and current President of LAWASIA, and the LAWASIA administration as a whole, and to Mr. Raphael Tay, who's been an inspiration, and to the directors, Mr. CFO, and College of Ramaya Law School, and of course, to our beloved colleagues in the field of law. It's amazing congregation today. Before I start giving some sort of thoughts that was a little scripted, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. You know, I learned a long time ago, the first thing you do when you go to a place where you've never been before, although those are experience on its own, and I have to admit, the people of Bengaluru, the wonderful people of
Ramaya School of Law are great, but my professors in college told me that in order to make people are comfortable with you, make fun of yourselves. And I hope that I've done that with my little understanding of your culture. Thank you so much. Now, I'm an individual has been around just a bit as a kid, as a small little person. My country, the country of Cambodia, was involved in civil war. We had no law then. My parents fled like anyone else in the country for a better life. We went through the camps. I endured, and especially, I still thank my parents till today, how did they were able to feed me and my brothers and sisters.
Really, I'm delighted to be in this lovely city of Bengaluru. It's been a long time since I've been here, and this year, LAWASIA is delighted to have its LAWASIA International Moot competition, the 18th edition, to be held and hosted by Ramayana College of Law. It's indeed a privilege to be partnering and working with this prestigious college, and we are delighted with the facilities, the hospitality that's been given by Ramayana College of Law, and it's really a delight to be here. I must say that in my 16 years of organizing the LAWASIA International Moot competition, this is one of the best editions, and this is one of the best organized by a host university. So really kudos to Ramayana College of Law, and we are delighted to be partnering with them this year. We take this opportunity to thank the people of Bengaluru because we have enjoyed your hospitality, we have enjoyed your weather, and most important of all, we have enjoyed your food. So thank you very much.
ನಾವು LAWASIA ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು 2ನೇ ಬಾರಿ. ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಈಗ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ LAWASIA ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. LAWASIAದ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಗತಿ. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಹ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ನಾಳೆ ಆಗಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಗತಿ. ಈ ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೇನಿದೆ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಅಂತ ಪಡೆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಕಾನೂನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಸಹ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಏನು ಟೀಮ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಹಲವಾರು ಸುತ್ತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ವಿಜಯ ಗಳಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವು ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಜಯಶಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದು 2ನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 1ನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
LAWASIA 18ನೇ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 24ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ 27ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ತನಕ ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ಗಳು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ನ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಈ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಬೋಡಿಯಾ, ಸಿಂಗಪೂರ್, ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಂ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಹಲವಾರು ದೇಶಗಳಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು. ಅವರು ಅವರವರ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಲಾಯೇಶಿಯಾದು 4 Seasons ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಂಜೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಎರಡೂ 27ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ತನಕ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. 27ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಇದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟದು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ 4 Seasons ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತದೆ.